What's good, fam? Welcome to Tito's Kitchen. In today's episode, it's all about the chips, baby. Sweet potato chips, that is. I got a simple, easy recipe for you. We're gonna just dive right into it. For sure. If it's your first time on this channel, it's all about chill vibes and learning recipes. If it's not your first time, then welcome back. Glad to see you. All right, like I mentioned, this is a super simple recipe, all natural. It's literally, it's just a few ingredients. You got your sweet potatoes, you got our vegetable oil right here, and we're going with a little sea salt today. But I got a special little treat. I'm gonna whip up a little cinnamon glaze dip to go with it, give it that sweet, salty, savory flavor. We're gonna start peeling these sweet potatoes. I'm ready to do it. I'm ready. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's do it.
First, we're gonna start off by slicing the ends of our sweet potatoes. I like to get some that are the same size, or at least roughly the same size, so that when we slice them up, they cook evenly. Get you a nice potato peeler from your local supermarket, and it comes right off nice and easy. We're gonna go ahead and peel both of these. Boom. What I got now is a V-Blade Mandolin slicer. I like this one because you can adjust the thickness of whatever you're slicing. So it's perfect. Let's put that right on top. Finish slicing these up. Check them out. Nice and thin. They're all about the same size. That's what I love. You don't have to, but it's important to rinse your potatoes. It rinses out the starch, and in turn, it will get your chips a little more crispy when you fry them up. See how cloudy the water is? I rinsed them one more time just so you can see the difference. Ah, that's nice. Look how clear that is. I actually just wanted to mess with the slow motion. Anyway. We're going to dry these out. I put them in a clean towel, and I just fold them up to get the excess water off. Then I take a paper towel and I just pat them down like we at the club or something. All right, we got them all nice and dry, so we're gonna put them to the side for now and heat up our vegetable oil. We wanna get it nice and hot to about 350 degrees. Here we go. I like to place them in just like that. Put about half of the batch in. Don't want to fill it up too much. Give the chips room to move around to make sure they're not getting stuck together and that they cook evenly. Halfway through, I like to take them out of the grease. I hold them out a few seconds, and then I just drop them back in. What this does, it gets them to cook faster and crispier. All right, I'm gonna cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. And this is key. As soon as they come out of that hot oil, you wanna sprinkle them with the sea salt. With that high heat, it infuses the salt into the chips, and that's where the flavor kicks in. We're gonna put these to the side and let them cool off. Ah, time for that touch of sweetness. About to whip up this cinnamon glaze dip. This is an easy recipe. Just gonna need a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk or condensed milk, a dash of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, I'm gonna put in the melted butter. We're gonna add in the powdered sugar. Put in that vanilla extract. pinch of salt. We're gonna mix that up a little bit. Just mix it up a little bit. It's gonna get a little lumpy. And now we're gonna add half of the milk in. Go ahead and continue mixing it up. You'll see after a couple seconds, it's gonna smooth out. Okay, and I just put in the rest of our milk. Keep in mind, if you want your cinnamon glaze dip a little thicker, then put in less milk. Add that dash of cinnamon in, about 2 dashes worth, and mix it right in. And that's it, folks.
And there you have it. Crispy sweet potato chips. And now, for the moment of truth, we about to test these out. Let's see. Let me get this one. Dip it. Mm-hmm.
Crunchy.
Ooh. Hold on. One more time, folks. One more time. Matter of fact, 2 more times. Let me do a double dose of these. Man, 3 is my favorite number, so we're gonna go 3 times right this time. Dunk it. Let it drip, let it drip, let it drip. Mmm. 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 Excuse me. Mmm. That's good. It's like, one more time. I gotta do 3 at a time now. I just gotta do it like that. It's like a crunchy sweet potato souffle. You get it? You know the ones, sweet potato souffle with the marshmallows on top. I mean, this cinnamon glaze right here is everything. I mean, it's a perfect balance. Salty, sweet, savory. The cinnamon gives it that savory flavor. I mean, it's literally like a crunchy sweet potato souffle with all the trimmings. I guess that makes sense, but here we go.
Pure excellence, baby. Oh yeah, and if you put these in an airtight container, they'll stay crispy for days, fresh and crispy. If you like what you saw, if you picked anything up, or if you're just feeling good, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel.